The market theme WTI oil tumbles below $83 a barrel. The positive catalyst: the US and Iran pause strikes, easing concerns over Middle East supply disruptions. Our call of the day: Nifty may waver but cautious optimism shall prevail as US-Iran tensions eased and supply resumed from the Caspian pipeline terminal. However, crude still remains up over 20% this month amid lingering Red Sea supply risks. What bulls will watch? A durable recovery now hinges on three key catalysts. 1. Easing geopolitical tensions. 2. Cooling crude oil prices. 3. A decisive revival in institutional buying. Long story short, caution should remain the buzzword on any excessive early intraday strength. Market trends. The global cues are neutral. In Monday's bullish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 1688 crores while DIIs too turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2329 crores. Sentiments are likely to remain neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty appears headed for massive consolidation. FNO July month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has tumbled towards 12.66 levels. At last check, USD INR, July, was trading lower near 95.91 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th July, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.75. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.80. Midcap Nifty is at 0.92. Nifty outlook: any intraday rally is likely to hit the brakes. That said, downside also likely to be well protected. Stay light on leveraged long positions and remain nimble. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,996. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23.701 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24.367 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23.850 and 24.200. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76,836. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 78,283 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,300 to 77,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,087. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 57,827 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 56,000 and 57,600. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. Indian equities snapped a 5-session losing streak on Monday, with the Sensex and Nifty gaining 1% as falling crude oil prices supported the rupee and improved foreign investor sentiment. The big question: will bullish momentum continue after yesterday's 1% surge? Sectors likely to outperform. 1. Information technology. 2. Aviation. 3. Select financials vertical bar positive bias on banks and NBFCs reporting strong earnings and improving asset quality. Sectors likely to underperform. Upstream oil and gas vertical bar falling crude prices could pressure realizations. ONGC, Oil India could underperform. Stocks to watch. Positive bias: Mandem, TVS Motors, Titan, Manappuram. IDFC First Bank, record Q1 profit and improving asset quality. AU Small Finance Bank, strong earnings momentum. Negative bias: ONGC, Oil India, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, TMPV, Suzlon Energy. Q1 FY27 earnings to trickle in Tuesday, 28 July 2026. Key results to watch. Larsen & Toubro, Hindustan Unilever, Varun Beverages, Chola Mandalam Investment, Tata Capital, Ambuja Siemens, Phoenix Mills, Suzlon Energy, Radico Khaitan, Netweb Technologies, City Union Bank, Paradeep Phosphates, Equitas Small Finance Bank.